Before the opening bell, U.S. indices mixed on Tuesday. Shares in the energy, utilities, material sectors all trading higher, while semiconductors and semiconductor equipment and consumer services and transportation sectors all under pressure. On the economic front, retail sales rising 0.9% month over month in March. This from a revised drop of 0.5% the previous month. Advancers ahead of decliners, 55% of S&P 500 constituents trading higher yesterday. Now, after the market closed, Intel unveiling first quarter EPS up 8% year over year to roughly 41 cents on revenue being flat at $12.8 billion. Moving on, AT&T filing a lawsuit challenging the U.S. FCC over its new web traffic regulations, the so-called net neutrality rules. This reported by Reuters, citing court filings. And Nokia and Alcatel-Lucent jointly announcing that they intend on merging, saying that the two companies have entered into a memorandum of understanding under which Nokia will make an offer for all of the equity securities issued by Alcatel-Lucent through a public exchange offer in France and the United States. This on a basis of 0.55 of new Nokia share for every Alcatel-Lucent share. Now, turning overseas, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei down 0.2%, the Hang Seng up 0.21%, while South Korea's Kospi up just under 0.4%. European markets, they are positive, and U.S. futures are calling for a positive opening. Expectations today: Bank of America first quarter EPS seen at 29 cents, while PNC Financial Services first quarter EPS seen at $1.72. Also, Delta Airlines first quarter EPS seen at 44 cents on sales of approximately $9.4 billion, while Netflix first quarter EPS seen at 97 cents. Now, when it comes to the markets, S&P 500, that is on the upside and in focus. The contract for the S&P 500 remains above its key horizontal support level set at 2,079. The 50-period moving average is rising and provides support, and a further upside is expected, preferring long positions above 2,079 with targets at 2107 and 2115 in extension. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, on the upside, preferring long positions above 4366, and the Dow Jones on the upside as well, preferring long positions above 17,845.